Good evening, scrappers. Today I'm going to take apart this upright fan, which was left outside someone's house, and it's an American one. It's held by the socket, and it's got at least a great big length of cable for it, and it will have a motor. So I'll just whip all the screws and things off and then see what's inside. Taking off the outer cover, there's always one screw. It's actually an Allen bolt which wouldn't undo, so I had to snap that. I've been reliably informed by my daughter that it doesn't work because she tried it. And what we've got in here is a small motor on the bottom which rotates the fan, and then this motor which spins this, which unfortunately is plastic. Sometimes they're aluminium, but doesn't matter. And undone some of the plastic there. Just a plastic guard. Another one that side. It's like most things these days, a load of plastic. Just whip a few more of these screws off and then see what else we've got. There's quite a lot of cable on here for what it is. I've got a small box here. I'll just prize that back. There we go. We have a small circuit board in there, more plastic. So I've not actually recycled these before, but looking at it, it's got like a resin underneath there, and I might just chuck these in with circuit boards from now on, if I can get away with that, which would mean everything in this can be recycled, which is great because that's what it's all about. I'll take that little piece of metal off, that can go there. This is quite easy to take apart, as all these screws are pretty much the same, all like that, which is nice. I don't have to keep changing the tools over. There's one screw holding this on here. So this whole thing, unfortunately, is plastic, but I'll try and knock these out at some point. Right, bit of metal. I think that's aluminium. That's plastic. So always check everything because it's only a tiny piece, but it all adds up. I'll just whip these other small pieces off. I'll stop the. Oh, that's all the tedium of the plastic done. Got the cable. Got actually quite a reasonable sized motor which rotated the fan. Got two circuit boards with very little on them. Maybe you see an IC chip, maybe some silver contacts in those buttons, some cable, and then the big motor, which we will have a quick look inside. If I can undo it. It's tight. Okay, we'll come back to that in a sec. We have the specialist tool. which works a lot better. There we go. Right, that should undo now. There we go. Or at least look halfway professional. It's absolutely scorching today, it's like 30 degrees. When I start to sweat, it's too hot for work. It should be banned if the weather's anything over 15 degrees. There we go. We've got a nice chunk of aluminium. Just remember to take the steel out of the middle there. And motor, and the same that side, steel in the middle, aluminium. And a nice load of copper inside there, which is great. And all this cable. So yeah, got copper in that one as well, so it's not too bad. That gets chucked in with motors. Get all out of the way. And the usual pile of plastic. So everything inside that fan can be recycled, which is good. That's what I do it for. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.